Like the metal panels have a good, better, best, so do paint systems, and that's the best paint system, and that's really key for residential owners like yourself. You're going to have this house for decades, right? This is a home you're going to live in for a long time, and you want that matte black roof to still be black rather than gray down the road, and that's what a high-end paint system does, so compliments for doing that.
I agree. That's really important when you're going with a black roof. You want to make sure that it stays black, and especially for us because this is only the first phase of our project. So with that house next door, we want to make sure that this is the same color black that that eventual roof is. So that's important to us when we were choosing our paint finish.
That's a great point. We have examples on our website too. You may have seen them where we show a house or a building that had an addition put on that was a PVDF Kynar 500 system, and you can't see the difference. And then we have others that a lower quality paint system was put on, and you can see that. Even though this is matte black, it has a lower reflectance. So your energy efficiency is not as high as a white roof, but it still has reflective pigments in it. It's called cool roof technology. So even your matte black roof is still pretty highly reflective to take the sun's energy and move it away rather than going through the roof into the living quarters below.
Right.
So metal roofs are known, even black, are known for being more energy efficient.
Right.
That's than like a shingle.
Yes.
That's really interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, and shingle just has the thermal mass too. It holds it heats up and holds the heat, like asphalt really does.